In the last video, we learned how to prep and cut our chipboard pieces using the amazing Cricut knife blade. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble this 3D elephant project into the finished piece. Start with the main body. That's the one with the trunk. Then grab the larger of these two squarish pieces. Insert its middle slot into the middle slot of the main body. Do the same with the other piece, this time using the slot closer to the tail. Next, take one of these two larger pieces. Match the curves here to confirm they're facing the right way, and insert here and here. Do the same for the other side, and you've just balanced out the body. Now the final piece to this model puzzle. The elephant's ears go right here. And there you have it. If you're inspired to take this project to the next level, you may add your own creative touches and details like we have here. That's it! Congrats on your first project with Knife Blade. For more Cricut tips, how-tos, and project ideas, join us at youtube.com/officialcricut.